Hello everybody, my name is Fernando Garcia. I'm the retail and pub manager here in Sodexo, San Marcos, California. And today I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious cocktail for the holidays. It's really easy to make, not too expensive. So we have the ingredients that we have for this delicious cocktail is very good, very accessible. So we're gonna start with the ingredients. We're gonna need a fresh apple cider, also fresh apple juice. And this is something important with the tequila because we need the one that you like. Because this cocktail you can enjoy with your home, in your home with your family. So this time for me, I decided to use Patron, Añejo Patron, because I like it. It's really good. And also because the leftover I'm gonna take it home. And also we have the concho, which is also very important for this cocktail because it comes and gives the special crispy, delicious taste to the cocktail. So it's very important to have it at home and use it for another cocktails also, but for this one it's very important. So I'm gonna start making it for you and just follow me along, okay? So first we're gonna start with pouring ice into our shaker. This is the ice that you wanna use, depends on how many margaritas, apple cider margaritas you're gonna make. This apple cider margarita is gonna rock this Christmas for you, and I'm gonna help you. So we have everything in here in the shaker. We have the ice. We're gonna pour the orange juice. Now we're gonna pour the apple cider. Oh man, I gonna start smelling the delicious mix of this cocktail. This is a tequila. It's the one that you handle. It's just be responsible and be nice. Here it is. The control is the one that I was telling you that is very good. So we're gonna do the shake. Make sure that this one is tight. I don't want you to start shaking and then the drink is gonna flow away. That is enough. Not too much because it started making bubbles and stuff like that. You don't want that. So I have the ice ready for my delicious cocktail. Gonna pour it in here. Then, actually, no. First, before the ice, everybody makes mistakes, right? I'm gonna pour a little bit of garnish into here. You see this lime? I got it from the lemon tree that is on the side of the church. So it's local, it's organic, and it's so delicious. And I'm in my head, and I believe that it's blessed because it's by the side of the church. So you're gonna pour into some garnishes in here, which is the sugar with cinnamon, and so you can get this decoration like this. Now you can pour the ice. Now that you pour the ice, it's gonna look like this. Whatever is inside here, that's so delicious. You're gonna start pouring it. Look at that. So beautiful and so tasty. Oh. Now, just to make it a little bit more beautiful, we're gonna use some sliced apples and the cinnamon sticks used as a decoration. And this, ladies and gentlemen, now I present to you the apple cider margarita. Thank you guys. I see you soon. I hope that you guys have a delicious cocktails for these holidays. Enjoy the holidays. God bless you all. Bye.